Hi there. In this video, I'll be showing you how to watch your long-term profit and loss statement from our back office portal bo.upstox.com. So as you can see on the screen, I have already logged into our back office portal. I will select the second option of bill where I will find the last option as long-term. So I will click on that and then it will ask me for the year. So I will select it as 1819 and I will click on go. Now once I click on go, I will get the overall information or the details for the same. On the right side, I will see the ledger details in which I will see the securities segment, how much funds I have deposited from my bank account to the trading account and how much funds I have withdrawn from my trading account to the bank account for that particular year. And the last thing will be for the balance, how much balance is remaining, ledger balance for that particular year. On the left side, I will see the profit and loss statement, that is the script code and script name in which I have done the trades and the short term and long term columns. So if I have done the trade below the period of 365 days, the profit and loss for the same will be showing into the short term, and if I have done the trades above the period 365 days, then the profit and loss for the same will be shown in the long term. And if I have done the intraday trade positions, then the profit and loss for the same will be shown into the speculation, and the last column will be for the total profit and loss. So this is the overall details which I will get. So for getting the more details, I have to download it in Excel file. So I will click on Excel here and it will download the Excel file for the same statement. So I will open that. Now once I open that, the first page or the first window will be for the summary, overall summary, which we saw on the back office portal. And to check the in-depth details, I will click on the details window. So once I click on that, I will get all the details for the profit and loss statement for the long term. So script name, script code, at what date you have purchased the particular script, what rate you have purchased that on, how much quantity you have purchased, and what will be the buy amount. Same way you will see the sell date, sell rate, sell quantity and the days. So for example, if I have purchased today something and I am selling it after 35 days, so it will show you the days as 35. So this is nothing but how much period of time you have holded that particular script into your account. Next will be total profit and loss, and next column will be short term. So if you are done the trades below 365 days period, so definitely it will show into the long term profit and loss, and if the days are exceeding 365 days, then it will show the profit and loss into the long term. So taxation will be accordingly on the short term and long term. So you can check that from here itself. Now this second last column is of long-term FMV rate. FMV stands for fair market value. So this is nothing but the rate on 31st Jan of that particular year. So this is in taxation purpose. So for example, if I have purchased something at 100 rupees before 31st of Jan and I have sold that same at 150 after 31st Jan, so my profit will be 50 rupees. But for taxation purpose, your profit and loss will not be counted as 50 rupees if the long term value, that is the value on 31st of Jan of that particular year, is above the buy rate. Like for example, if you purchased on 100, if the closing rate on 31st Jan was 130, then your buy rate will be taken as 130 for taxation purpose if it is more than your buy rate. But if it is less than your buy rate, that is for example, if long term FMV is 80 rupees, then it will be counted as 100 rupees as your buy rate and your profit will be taken as 50 rupees for taxation. But again, if it is higher like 130, then your profit will be taken as 20 rupees for the taxation purpose, and in the next column, that is long term taxable amount, it will show you 20 rupees. That is for example. So the last column is long term taxable amount. So it is already been calculated according to the FMV rate. So this is how you can check your long term profit and loss statement. And that's it for this video. Have a nice day.